Casey,
Go to the middle.
no,
You're
missing
missing
out
out
on all
on
the
crates.
games.
Go to the middle if you want a bag full of crates.
Luckily, you blocked. I would have.
Yo, wait.
Why'd you kill me, bro?
Me, I want to play.
Come to the middle if you want a bag full of crates.
3.2 million. What's in this bag?
Who wants this bag?
Me!
I want it. Come to the middle
Yeah,
if you
well, how
want
much
it.
did you make?
First one to get it
100K.
gets it. Alright. I'm dropping it in 5, 4, 3, 1.
Yo, this is the best day ever, bro.
I got it!
I don't know who got it.
Wait, here. 10.
Nah, I'm just gonna
Rocket! I'm gonna do one more. Come to the middle if you want one more.
Get me a rocket!
guys, lava block.
Guys, get me a rocket!
Lava block.
I'm doing one more. Come to the middle. Hey, come here. I can move. I'm dropping it in 5, 4,
I need a rocket!
3,
I can't move!
2, 1.
I got it.
This literally
Oh my god!
I got it! Give me a rocket! Somebody
I got
give me a
it.
rocket! I have
Sell
it!
it.
Oh my god, who the hell? Oh my god. Oh my god, bro, who's doing all that?
Let me give you this, let me give you this.
I want the $100,000 to keep money.
Yo, guys, tell me. Guys, tell me.
Oh, how are you?
I'm gonna sell this for 100,000! Alright.
Where are you?
Oh my gosh, what is this?
Sell it, bro.
Thank you! I got 2 in your bag!
Yo, quick, press it, bro. Press it. Press it.
Yo, can I have the bag real quick? Yo, can I have the bag?
No, hell no!
I'll push you away.
Yo, can someone give me a good
Yo, listen to all that.
Mate, you just sold to me when I had 3 hard guns.
Sell it for
Oh,
180,000. Started to get some money.
Bro, really?
Money talks.
Someone give me rock. I've got $2 million.
No, you don't.
I'm gonna drop another suitcase. Come to the middle if you want it. Yeah. Wait, can you give me $2 million fucking dollars? I'm struck.
I have some, but I'm not gonna this time. Oh man, I might later. Man, I really wanted it. Who wants a suitcase? Who wants a bag full of them? Me, bro. First one to grab it. I haven't got it. In the middle. I'm not ready.
People have hard guns though.
Yeah, no hard guns allowed. No hard guns allowed.
We're doing sell. Who cares,
Put
bro?
your
Just
hard gun down. Alright? It's not loaded. Put it down. Who got it?
Where did it go?
I got it! Oh, wait. I got it.
Yo, sell that thing again, bro. Sell it again, bro.
Wait, there's a hard going on me.
Sell it, bro. Sell it.
Show the bag. Show the bag. Show the bag. Show the bag. Show the bag.
Sell the bag!
Sell the Who wants a $100,000 sell?
God damn, this is a good bag.
Bro, sell it, bro. Sold
Oh my god.
I'm selling it.
Oh my
Nice.
gosh, this actually happened.
Sell it, bro. Come on, bro. You got this. No, don't sell it. Alright, sell it.
I will get you this shotgun.
Sell it.
Go, go.
Oh my god!
Send it out, do it! Do it! Almost to a million! A grenade!
Money talks. Dirty cash.
You know what?
Well, 4 million. Yo, Kean, are you getting bored? Or are you just going on TikTok? Are you right?
I only have $8 million.
Kean, are you right?
Who wants some more crates? I'm dropping it.
Oh, yeah!
What, dude? Can you please drop it and save some? Can you drop it in there? Hey, can you drop it in
I'll drop one more bag. But if somebody gets it with a heart gun, then I'm never doing it again. So, don't use your heart
Come on,
gun.
Brad. Brad, can you please drop it in the machine? It's so
Dropped in the machine.
Look at your money I have. Look at your money.
Yo, I've got
Yeah, look at that
money.
money like every single time because it's really hard for us to get.
Alright, somebody grab it. Somebody grab it.
Alright, where is it? Heart gun. Use the heart gun.
Fine, I'm gonna do $100,000 now. What's your
Give us some money.
God, I'm gonna need this to duplicate those.
Can someone tell me how to get suitcases in the bag?
Hey, somebody sell me for $100,000.
You call me.
Come here. Where's the duplicator, mate?
Can I make it to a million? Please.
Speed, I need
Please, this is really work. Like, billion. Oh, for a million. Oh, that's not shitty.
People like me. No, that's mine. Give it back. Yo, can I have my ray gun back, please? Yeah. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Thank you for being really nice.
Just keep on doing it.
Yo, guys, let me help you out. Let me help you out. Let me help you guys out.
Who has ray gun? Who has ray gun? You want it? Get it.
Can somebody jump on like a million?
Oh, yes,
What's
it's
in the
bag.
Don't sell it yet. Don't sell it yet.
Oh, this is more like it. This is way more like
This
it.
is more like it, bro.
Yeah.
Get those things in there.
Let him sell it. Everyone, let him sell it.
Alright, sell me.
We're gonna be. Bro, we're gonna be rich. We're gonna be rich. Bro, we're gonna be rich. Money talks, yo guys.
Oh my god.
Everybody see this?
Money talks. Everyone needs to stay in the server, bro.
I'm getting a gun.
Yo, what? Wait, what are in them bags that I've been getting?
Oh my god. Don't sell me, please. It's like
I have to leave them. No!
Little bro.
Stay here.
Oh,
Guys, bring suitcases. No one use their ray guns. Just let me handle them.
Okay, got this.
Young guys.
Everyone use your guns to grab them. The suitcases and put them in your stash. Actually sell it.
Come on, let's get these suitcases.
Sell it, bro.
Let's get these suitcases started.
You just sold my gun.
Stop nuking. We're trying to make money for you, nuker.
Bro,
So
who
it's
the
nuker.
hell just sold my gun?
Hey, just sold your gun, you dumbass.
Calm down.
Bro, Bro, who's
Hey, stop being mean. He's just a little kid.
Mean.
And you're just a meanie.
Nuke it.
So stop selling your gun. You look like a goddamn. You look like a stupid kid.
Yo!
State of Mercy,
Bro, who's trying to nuke us all, dude? I don't know that's...
Oh
my
That's gonna
It looks like it's Kim Kardashian and then King Bob. This kid is so angry because he doesn't have a revolver anymore.
Watch this, I'm gonna do it again. Yeah, I know, these are the reasons.
Sell it.
But it's like,
Come and sell it. Why do people buy so many suitcases? Oh, my name. Clawback. Please, nobody kill me. No. Come and sell it.
Oh, I think I might have just showed a person this side.
Can you guys stop selling it?
Making money.
Yo, dude, look at this. Look at this. Oh, by the way,
Sweet,
it's no CVP, but I can get it. No, I can't, cause your hands will. Stop! You gotta reset your game,
You guys, watch this shit explode.
It's just like,
Oh no! It
free grappler.
Yo, guys.
I misclicked.
I promise, guys, I just misclicked.
Guys, I misclicked. I did not mean to press those buttons.
One bundle.
Very, very cheap.
One bumpin'. One buggy.
I give you 100.
Bigfoot, 5 food, 1 starfish. Bigfoot, 5
fish, 1 pound fish.
Oh man, you actually got it before me. That's crazy.
Don't explode, Toby.
It's time to get some of these. Now my name's quarterback.
Hey guys, I'm gonna. Oh shit, that's butterball.
Now my name's quarterback.
I am that.
Can you stop selling, you ugly piece of shit?
Not my name, quarterback. Not my name, quarterback.
Not my name.
Oh, yeah, I seen that, yeah.
Not my name, quarterback.
Not my name.
Guys,
Not my name, quarterback.
can you stop selling it, you stupid ugly bastard?
Shut the fuck up.
Not my name, quarterback.
Queso.
Not my name.
Dude, this yellow kid, this yellow little piece of shit. Can you
Greg,
stop
you're the little
selling?
kid. Because you're yelling.
Why?
We're trying to get money.
We're getting money. We're selling people. We're selling people.
Stop selling, you dipshit.
You're literally
If you
dying.
sell one more time, you're gay. If you sell one more time.
You don't even have a penis. So no.
Yo, show how much money you have, kid. Show how much money you have.
1,000K, that's not a thing.
Yo, kid, show how much money you have. Wait, look how much money I have, bro.
I'll go stick my arsehole for 1,000.